Welcome you to GHRCE's Newsdesk. This is Sindhu Panikar presenting you this episode, and it's always a pleasure to bring you the updates of GHRCE College of Engineering, Nagpur. Let's hear it up with headlines. Institute Innovation Council IIC of GHRCE College of Engineering, Nagpur has been awarded with highest star rating by AICTE Ministry of Education, Government of India for the year 2023-2024. GHRC hosted inter-university level research convention Avishkar 2024-2025, 1-week online short-term training program STTP on smart grid technologies, modern trends and future directions organized by the Department of Electrical Engineering, skill development workshops on biomedical translation research organized by the ETRX department, AutoCAD workshop organized by Electrical Engineering department, and finally, Makar sankranti celebrations in the college. Now, the news in detail. The Institute Innovation Council IIC of GHRC awarded with the highest star rating by AICTE Ministry of Education, Government of India for the year 2023-2024. The institution has once again demonstrated its commitment to innovation and academic excellence. The Institute Innovation Council IIC of the college has been honored with the highest star rating by the All India Council for Technical Education AICTE under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. And this has made the college the prestigious recognition underscores the institute's outstanding contributions towards fostering an innovative and entrepreneurial ecosystem. The IIC at GHRC has consistently promoted creative thinking, research and industry-oriented skill development among students and faculties. The key achievements of IIC are the various workshops, hackathons and training sessions to cultivate a culture of innovation and problem solving. The strong tie-ups with industry partners who have provided students with hands-on experience and exposure to real-world challenges. The Council has successfully supported students-led startups, mentoring them from idea conception to commercialization. The IIC encouraged collaborative research projects resulting in patents and research publications, and students and faculties actively participated in various innovation and entrepreneurship competitions, securing accolades. This highest star rating by AICTE is a testament to the relentless efforts of the IIC students and faculty members of GHRC. It will further motivate the institution to continue its mission of nurturing future innovators and entrepreneurs. The award also positions GHRC as a leader in innovation and research in the academic landscape. The next update is that GHRC hosted inter-university level research convention Avishkar 2024-2025 in collaboration with Rashtrasant Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University RTMNU, where GHRC successfully organized the same on December 24th and 27th, 2024. The event proved to be a resounding success, showcasing exceptional research and innovation from students across various disciplines. The Avishkar 2024-2025 convention, which was inaugurated on December 24th, witnessed the active participation of over 350 plus projects from various colleges across Gondia, Bandara, Varda and Nagpur districts, which comes under RTMNU. The convention aimed at motivating undergraduate, postgraduate and postgraduate professionals in order to ensure that the students to engage in research, innovation and development in diverse fields such as engineering, technology, agriculture, animal husbandry, commerce, management, law, medicine, pharmacy and humanities and even fine arts. Moving on to the 1-week online short-term training program. The Center of Excellence in Facts under Department of Electrical Engineering and IRO Cell, GHRC, in association with AICTE Idea Lab and Research Center IEEE SSIT Center of Excellence in Facts and Electrical Vehicle, jointly organized 1-week online short-term training program on smart grid technologies, modern trends and future directions during 6 to 10 January 2025. The eminent speakers included Dr. Ritesh Keshri, VNIT Nagpur, Mr. Sanjay Dage, Business Development and Service Head, Konark Engineers, which is in Nagpur, Mr. Atul Gumade, Hexas Automation Nagpur, Dr. Chandrasekhar Bende, IIT Bhubaneswar, Dr. Harikumar Naidu, GHRC, Dr. Vinod Chandrakar, GHRC, Dr. Makarand Lokhande, VNIT, Dr. Pradyuman Chaturvedi, VNIT Nagpur. The coordinators for the event were Professor Vedshri Rajdekar and Professor Pankaj Ramtekar. The program got a huge response with around 160 participants from different states, which included faculty members, research scholars, industry people, and students from various institutions and organizations. Let's now hear it up for the updates on the skill workshops organized by GHRC. A skill workshop on biomedical translation research was organized on 4 Jan 2025 by the ETRX department. It was designed to empower participants with the knowledge and tools required to transform biomedical research into practical applications for healthcare and industry. This workshop emphasized the importance of bridging the gap between fundamental research and real world implementation, which is the need for the hour, fostering skills in innovation, collaboration, and strategic planning. The first lecture was conducted by Dr. Vibha Bhora of GHRC. The lecture started with the topic Basics of the Biomedical Translations and the Significance of Betic Laboratory, and the second lecture was conducted by Professor Manthan Ghosh, in which he explained about the gap analysis of biology and engineering and the current medical market in terms of engineering devices, lab instruments and surgical instruments, and the current projects of Betic Lab and E-Yantra Lab like remote monitoring device, bionic hand. The activity was coordinated by Professor Rucha Jikkar under the guidance of the HOD of Electronics, Dr. Lakshman Thakre. On 23rd January 2025, the Department of Electrical Engineering successfully organized a hands-on workshop on AutoCAD Electrical, a leading software used in electrical design and drafting. The event, held under the guidance of Professor Suraj Dude and Professor Swapnil Kubalkar, provided students with the in-depth knowledge and practical exposure to this essential tool. The session spanned 4 hours and covered various key aspects of AutoCAD Electrical, namely introduction to the software interface and its features, techniques for creating and modifying electrical schematics. Generating accurate wiring diagrams and panel layouts were also there. Understanding the integration of components, libraries, and project documentation. The workshop was conducted in an interactive manner, with the resource team delivering detailed explanations complemented by the live demonstrations. Students were encouraged to participate in real time, ensuring they gained hands-on experience. The last update is about the Makar Sankranti Haldi Kumkum celebration that was there in GHRC under Women's Cell on 14 January 2025. The HOD of the Electrical Engineering Department, Dr. Prema Daigwane, wished all the women in the celebration. Around 140 women staff attended this program. One and Tilgul were distributed to all. The program was coordinated by the Department of Electrical Engineering. With that update, which brings us to the end of this episode, and until we meet you next time, this is Sindhu Panikar signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.